Sorry, you guys, I got that 5-minute limit, and I kind of got messed up in the last 30 seconds of my video in the part 2 version. So over here, I had it as plus 12 root 4, but it's actually a minus because negative 3 root 2 times 4 root 2 is negative 12 root 4. Negative 12 times 2 is negative 24. 54 minus 24 is 30, plus our 18 root 2, which we cannot combine anymore. There's nothing left for us to combine. So this is what we have left as our answer for our multiplication of radical expressions. Our fourth and final is pretty similar to the last two. However, you can see a little change in sign here, and it eventually leads to one answer because of how it combines, which I thought was very neat. So, we start off with FOIL. FOIL. First, outer, inner, last. First, 4 times 4 is 16. Outer, 4 times negative square root of 2 is negative 4 square root 2. Plus, we have square root of 2, 4. 4 square root 2. And then square root of 2, oh, gotta change the color. Square root of 2 times the negative square root of 2, which is negative 4. Or, I mean, sorry, just 4. Negative square root of 4. We have our like terms here, but it adds up to 0 because negative 4 plus 4 is 0, and then our quantities are also there, which makes pretty much 2 parts of one whole. So it all goes away, which leaves us with 16 minus the square root of 4, which happens to be 2. So it's 16 minus 2, which leaves us with 14. So that's pretty much the basics of what goes into multiplying, adding, and subtracting radical expressions. Make sure that you're always looking for what you could take further. Make sure that you're looking for like terms, and if they're not exactly like terms, the steps that you can take to be able to make them into like terms so that you can combine as much as possible. Thank you guys so much for listening. I hope I did not take too much time, and yeah, so that's my video. Thanks.